Venus. Right?
Mars.
Okay.
Mars. Let's get to Mars.
These supplicants over that come up here.
Yep. Here they come. Gonna go for me.
Lens, we go. Let's roll out.
Guardian down.
Oh shit.
I'm on the other side.
I am marked still.
That in your
you
bubble,
gotta go.
Joker.
You gotta go center as soon as you're done.
Grenade to
It's
the
frozen.
grenade to the left.
Oh, Gil, if you can get over to me, or
Yeah,
DJ, if you can
I
go
can.
downstairs and get to me,
Yep,
I'm ready.
yep, I got ya. Right in the right when the bubble goes away.
Move down, Rock Dog. Move down,
Fine.
Rock Dog.
Roadkill's got it. You're good.
We're behind.
Oh,
We need a cleanse.
I gotta try to grab some orbs. Get this out. Come on.
We caught back up on that one. Wow.
Center.
Oh, yeah, they're out. They're out. So they come
Center
back
for
up.
cleanse if you needed a cleanse. We need those supplicants taken care of.
Yeah, they keep.
Those are brutal.
There's this bubble. Oh, nice. It was a waste.
Same.
Venus, oh, it sucked.
Deck, why are you in too?
I don't know, I got transported. I'm just gonna shoot stuff.
Alright, that works.
I got one up. Damn it. He's like at a quarter.
Good there, nice cleanse.
Outside.
Good.
Alright,
Coming down.
Anybody that can
Get that gate open, guys. Just the gate open. It's at Venus, right?
Yep, you're good, you're good.
Got it.
Okay, you're good. Alright.
Wait.
I'm running.
We're
Get
almost
some.
done.
I'm running.
Yeah. I'm so
He's already
close.
freaking moving.
Go.
He's moving, watch out. There's a couple of...
Bubble
Coming
in
for
the center.
cleanse. Yep.
Go get him.
I'm cleansed.
About over halfway.
Jesus.
No, he's at less than a third.
Yeah. Trying to just find a good spot. Come on.
Guardian down.
Oh, come on.
You guys at?
Okay.
No.
Mars.
I had my super. I was like, I'm not wasting it.
How do I not have my self-revive on? It's not letting me revive when I
Are
die.
you guys open?
We're
Keep him
good
down.
outside, so we need to get that gate open.
Come down.
Gate's open.
Good.
This one's here.
Just stay alive.
That one's down. Let's cleanse. Good.
Ready for revive over on
Yeah. I got you.
side.
I
Myself
got
and
you
Joel.
guys. Yep. Oh, come on. Atheon is just not letting up. I got my revive up though, so I don't want to use it. Yeah, you guys are good. Let's take him out.
Mars.
Ah. Before the supplicants get here, oh, we're doing so good. Here they come.
Clint. Good job.
Oh, you know.
Guardian down.
Make sure mid, guys.
He's so
I got
close.
massive damage out of him while you guys were in there.
Yeah, me too.
Clint's deck. I'm coming. Hold on.
I'm in mid. I'm in mid.
I'm coming too. Alright.
I'm with.
He's almost
Thank
done.
Go ahead, light him up.
He's almost done, guys. Light him up. Oh,
We got him.
Oh,
There he is.
oh yeah.
Boom.
There we
Nice
go.
job, gentlemen.
Yes.
Well done, well done.
When you guys were in that last gate, Roadkill and I were out here. He was so close. I was like, please make it out. Please make it out. Oh, that felt so good.
Well done.
Well, thanks for that last part. I'm glad I made it in for a bit.
Yeah,
And everything is good. Everything's good with my wife's mom. A little scared, but it's all good.
good.
That's good.
Excellent, good news.
I'm watching the stream. It still hasn't showed up on the stream yet.
Oh, it
I don't
did.
think anybody knows.
Yeah, it did.
Oh, it did.
It did.
And I'm delayed because I'm watching you run around with a sword breaker.
Oh, yeah. Boom, Atheon dead with shotguns and
There we go.
supers only. Good job.
I don't even have a sword breaker. This gun did help. I got a full auto void damage secret hand.
Wow. That was fun. that was
That was
challenging for sure. Good job.
Almost. That
Well,
was totally
that
worth
last
the
one when
chatter
you
white.
guys. That last time when you guys went in there, I ran up there and just shot him in the belly with shotgun while he was doing the Statue of Liberty.
That's
and
what I was
took
doing.
a ton of damage out
Oh,
of him.
yeah.
Yeah.
Well,
Yeah.
well, Roadkill, while you were doing that, I was trying to watch all the supplicants for you.
Oh, warts and all from making stupid mistakes and falling off shit. That was fun. Nice
That was
job,
a
gentlemen.
blast.
Yep.
All right. Well, looks like our friends list are down still. So we did it with problems and no friends list, and
Mine's back up.
yeah, mine's grayed out still.
Yeah, how did you, Joker, when you sent me that invite, how did you end up seeing me? Did you send it to me while I looked offline?
Bad.
Yeah,
I
I
went
did it in
into,
friends list. You still can
I
do
went
it.
into my friends list on Xbox.
Bose says, nice job,
I
guys.
backed out.
Murda said it felt so good. Wanderer says nice. Deck
And I don't think,
says boom
that last
sauce.
time, yeah, sorry, go ahead.
Oh, no,
I was
go
gonna
ahead.
say last time out, I was gonna say that I don't think anybody was dead when we took him down, which felt really nice too.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Well, let's see if the 11 o'clock crew can get it done. Because that's not... How much... Let's see, what was the... How long did that take us?
You guys started at like 10 after 8, so
Still 2 hours.
a little
Well,
over
from
2
the...
hours, yeah.
Well, yeah, and from the time that we went back in after we picked up more people, because part of that we were up in orbit, it was 40 minutes, 32 seconds is how long it took us when we went back in.
Yeah.
Pretty good.
Atheon.
So Atheon with shotguns.
It's fun taking down.
That's not bad.
It's fun taking him down like that. While he's all running around, everyone's trying to jump over
Alright,
him.
fellas.
All right, man.
Sorry I missed the 8 o'clock one, but I got stuck at work. Glad I came in at the end.
Not a problem.
Me too. I think this was the original
My plan
crew.
was
We
to
came
avoid
back for the end.
conflux, so it worked.
Confluxes actually weren't that bad.
I was watching that part. You guys were destroying confluxes.
Yeah.
We didn't want for that one.
All right, guys.
That was good.
Take
See
it
you guys.
easy.
Hi, fellas.
Have a good night, guys.
All right. Well, that is Atheon with shotguns, and I don't know if, because Dado said he hasn't done it, and he would be the dude that would have done it. I honestly don't know if there's anybody out there that has killed Atheon with shotguns. We may have been the first, so that is interesting. I will put the video up on YouTube, and that way everybody can check it out and see it. But yeah, Legion setting another first. My name is Scoop. Please give me a follow so that way you can check out the stream when I go live. You can also follow me on Twitter and YouTube. If you want to check out the full video, it'll be on YouTube. My gamer tag, it's XXScoopXXX. And the next time I will be on will be tomorrow night. I will be actually doing a stream on Aim Assist Gaming, his Twitch channel tomorrow night. We're going to be starting probably about 8:30, and it's going to be myself and Matt Man. We're going to be teaming up, and we're going to be doing a community night for the Aim Assist channel. So I'm going to be pulling people from the community. We might even get N64 Josh to join us. And we do the pre-stream before the podcast goes live. So I'll be on from about 9 o'clock to midnight tomorrow night on the Aim Assist Gaming channel. So be sure to check that out as well. And with that said, my name is Scoop. I appreciate the follows. I appreciate